I am on the edge of a black hole.
Just a box.
Another box I've been saving. This one came to me maybe 2 weeks ago to my address, Van 86. Let's have a little dig into this. This was one that came up on eBay, and it was there for a while actually. I just waited until I did that thing where I waited until the seller just sent out an offer because I had it watched. And he did, and I thought that's a decent price for that. It was about a tenner off in the end. I used to own this figure. I sold it when we moved house. As you know, I love a bit of Galaxy Force. And this one, oh look, it's even. Oh, I thought he'd included some sweets then, but it's just like different colour packing peanuts. There's your standards. Galaxy Force skids. Watch as everyone now turns off the video. So there is no insert in the pack, but I guess that's fine. We're not gonna have. I was actually going to display it in the packet. I guess this isn't one we're going to display in the packet. Galaxy Force skids was known as Clocker. I believe it was Clocker, and then it was repainted about 12 times. There was that blue one that came with Army Energon mini jet guy, who has about 12 names. Hey up. Was there a GTS skids as well? I can't remember. I know I have the blue one somewhere. But this is skids. Yeah. Oh! The cannons never used to flick out when I did that. Unless they were already out and I didn't notice. Let's have a look. Yeah, okay. His weapon comes off the top like that. We have a cool car mode that is... It is a convertible because there is no roof. The windscreen though would probably... If you sat in there, your head would be right against the end of the windscreen. And if you went over a speed bump, you'd probably knock yourself out. His exhausts are massive and would never meet European standards nowadays. Half the size of Hot Rod, exhausts 7 times bigger. They look like Hot Wheels wheels.
As you can see, I'm quite excited.
When I was young, Matchbox were like the cars to have. Matchbox were everywhere. And I look at Hot Wheels now and I think, man, they are the bees. Hot Wheels just seem to have this cool looking space car thing going on. That's what this reminds me of. Just the clear blue wheels and the little hot roddy shit. Let's have a little Transformer skid, shall we? What should we talk about while we do this? What about, I haven't talked about Legacy. All the shit surrounding Bulkhead has been a little bit blasted out of proportion, I think. Bulkhead, I think, looks amazing. I'm going to be buying a Bulkhead. I don't want Transformers to go back to what the Star Wars community is now, which is just bitter. The last couple of years, the Transformers community seems to have really taken off and been far more positive about what we've been getting because it hasn't been as good. And those people that are complaining don't realise how good it is now compared to what it was like, I don't know, 15 years ago? When we had the Classics line and the Universe line, we enjoyed what we had back then. Now people are complaining because Bulkhead is 2G1. What's that about? 3 little bits here that stick into the front of his chest, which sounds brutal, but actually it's just a little bit awkward to get lined up. Get in there, you sauce. He can shoot you while he serves you dinner. I've just realised I've filmed this whole thing with brightness like that. Now things aren't blinding.
Any bonus information?
We can see skids. He's just a generic kind of little soldier boy guy. Little good guy mini bot dude who was living on Speedio with Autolander. The old guy. The old tricycle guy.
Bonus information. Bonus information.
This guy would have cost about £8 back in the day. I've just done it again. I've said back in the day. But I'm happy I've got skids again. Try saying that like you haven't shat yourself. Skids!
I'm off.